Welcome to Session 23, Probability and Counting Principles. Probability quantifies uncertainty from 0 to 1. Theoretical probability uses a defined sample space. Experimental probability uses observed frequencies. Multi-stage events require careful attention to independence, replacement, order, and counting. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Find probabilities from equally likely outcomes. Use complements and experimental probabilities. Multiply probabilities for multi-stage events. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, probability compares favorable outcomes with the full sample space. Complements cover every outcome outside the target event. Without replacement, the second probability must be updated. Worked. Example 1. A bag has 10 marbles, including 2 green. The probability of not green is the complement of 2/10. 1 minus 2/10 is 8/10, or 4/5. Check. The 8 non-green marbles can also be counted directly. Worked. Example 2. A spinner has 5 purple sectors among 8 equal sectors. 2 independent spins, both landing purple, has probability 5/8 times 5/8, or 25/64. Check. 2 required successes are less likely than 1 purple spin. Worked example 3. A box has 4 defective parts among 20. Selecting 2 without replacement gives 4/20ths for the first defective part, then 3/19 for the second. The product simplifies to 3/95. Check. Both favorable and total counts decrease after the first selection. Watch for this common error. Keeping the same probability for a second draw without replacement. Correction. Update both the favorable count and the remaining total after each draw. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Build a complete sample space. Classify the event structure, calculate by counting, multiplying, or complementing, and test the probability against logical bounds. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.